Welcome to the most exciting coin discovery of your life. Today, we're diving into the mysterious and ultra-rare bicentennial coins, an ordinary-looking coin with the power to make you a millionaire overnight. If you've got this hidden gem in your pocket, your entire future could change in an instant. Let's unlock the secrets behind this legendary piece of treasure. First up, in the realm of numismatics, few coins ignite as much intrigue and allure as the rare 1972 Eisenhower bicentennial dollar. An elusive masterpiece cloaked in mystery and monumental value. Although the official Eisenhower bicentennial dollar was minted in 1976, a rumored and scarcely seen 1972 prototype version has gained legendary status among collectors and coin historians. This enigmatic coin, showing President Dwight D. Eisenhower's stoic profile facing left, paired with the dramatic Apollo 11 insignia on the reverse, has been whispered about in hushed tones as the ultimate numismatic treasure. It's not just a coin, it's a symbol of American greatness, space exploration, and untold riches. What makes this particular coin so hypnotically rare is the unlikely pairing of two American triumphs, Eisenhower's legacy and the first lunar landing, united in one coin long before the official bicentennial celebration. The design itself is unlike anything else issued for circulation. On the obverse, Eisenhower's portrait is sharper, more lifelike, and positioned slightly differently than the usual issues. The reverse, however, is what truly sets hearts racing. The Apollo 11 mission insignia. An eagle in mid-descent, clutching an olive branch in its talons, hovers just above the moon's surface, with planet Earth looming in the cosmic distance. This design evokes not only patriotism, but awe, and its visual impact is second to none. Only a whisper of this coin's existence has ever reached the public. Some experts claim it was struck as a pattern coin, a prototype to test designs for the coming bicentennial series, then quietly shelved and forgotten, until a few examples emerged under mysterious circumstances. It's said that perhaps fewer than 10 of these coins are known to exist, making it rarer than a 1933 double eagle or even the famed 1804 dollar. But rarity alone does not define its value. It is the perfect storm of historical resonance, aesthetic beauty, and speculative mystique that gives this coin a gravitational pull unlike any other. Should you stumble upon one of these coins, maybe passed down in a forgotten family collection, or discovered at a yard sale, you might just be holding a fortune in the palm of your hand. Not hundreds, not thousands, but millions of dollars could be the market value of such a coin today. Auction rumors suggest private offers reaching into the $10 million range, and if authenticated and publicized, the media frenzy alone could skyrocket its worth even higher. It is the kind of coin that doesn't just make you wealthy, it could make you a legend in the collecting world. Beyond its monetary worth, the coin encapsulates a transformational era of American history. Dwight D. Eisenhower, Supreme Commander of Allied Forces and later President of the United States, represents strength, peace, and leadership. The Apollo 11 insignia, etched into the coin's surface like a celestial seal, celebrates humanity's boldest leap beyond Earth. To own this coin is to possess a relic that transcends metal and minting. It is to hold time itself, forged in silver or clad in copper nickel, humming with the energy of historical momentum. Unlike other coins that gain fame through sheer age or gold content, this rare 1972 Eisenhower bicentennial dollar is valuable because it captures imagination. Collectors don't merely want to own it, they want to be part of the story it tells. The very idea of a pre-bicentennial coin challenges our understanding of how coinage evolves, sparking curiosity and obsession in equal measure. It's not just rare, it's mythic, the kind of piece that fuels legends and reshapes lives. One must not be fooled by lookalikes or ordinary Eisenhower dollars from 1971 to 1978, which, while collectible in their own right, lack the magic and mythos of this unique creation. To the untrained eye, it might pass as just another coin, but for those who know, the details reveal a world-shaking difference. If you have one, do not let it go easily. It is your golden ticket, your portal to an elite echelon of numismatic royalty, a vault key to unimaginable wealth. In a world flooded with paper wealth and fleeting assets, this coin stands alone as a tactile, enduring artifact of greatness. The 1972 Eisenhower bicentennial dollar, if real, if in your possession, isn't just a coin. It's the ultimate what if. It is destiny in your pocket, waiting for the right moment to change everything. So keep your eyes open, your hands steady, and your heart ready, because sometimes one small piece of metal can transform your entire universe. Second, in the vast and glittering world of rare coins, there exists a legend so electrifying, so cloaked in mystique, that it sparks instant awe among collectors and dreamers alike. The elusive 1977 bicentennial Eisenhower dollar. This coin is not merely a currency. It is a time machine forged in metal, an artifact that bridges two monumental moments in American history: the towering legacy of President Dwight D. Eisenhower and the triumphant Apollo 11 moon landing. At first glance, it may appear similar to ordinary Eisenhower dollars, but a closer look reveals something astonishing. A left-facing portrait of Eisenhower paired with the breathtaking Apollo 11 insignia. An eagle descending to the lunar surface, olive branch in talon, earth rising like a promise behind it. This coin does not whisper value, it roars destiny. The mystery of the 1977 bicentennial Ike dollar lies in its impossibility. Officially, the U.S. Mint did not produce bicentennial coins in 1977. Those were struck only in 1975 and 1976. Yet whispers of a clandestine prototype or ultra-limited strike have persisted for decades. According to rumors passed down in elite numismatic circles, a special issue may have been created for internal presentation, high-level gifts, or as a lost experimental piece. No public record confirms it, yet the few examples that have surfaced, always, under strange circumstances, appear authentic, and their design deviates ever so slightly in ways that leave experts breathless and skeptical minds reeling. These deviations are not mistakes. They are signatures of a secret history. This coin is not simply rare, it is unique in spirit. Its design embodies American heroism. Eisenhower, the five-star general who led victory in World War II and guided a nation through change, paired with the Apollo 11 mission, humanity's first triumphant step beyond our world. Together, they form a narrative of courage, innovation, and enduring hope. When etched into one coin, these symbols transcend monetary worth. They become a relic of inspiration, soaring from the battlefield to the moon. A coin like this isn't minted for circulation. It's created for the annals of destiny, and owning it makes you a custodian of something truly legendary. What fuels the mythic value of this coin is its whispered worth. Millions, even tens of millions of dollars, should it appear at auction, with provenance and proper authentication. The few believed to exist are so tightly held, so hidden from public eyes, that even whispers of a confirmed sale have sparked market frenzies. Private collectors, billionaires, and museums are said to have made discreet inquiries, offering unimaginable sums for just one glimpse of this ghostly treasure. It's not just wealth, it's the kind of fortune that rewrites lives overnight, that turns the unknown into the unforgettable. Imagine owning this coin, unknowingly, tucked away in a family coin box, or passed down with old war medals. You might think it's another dollar, until its power reveals itself. That's the thrill and the danger. Many could walk past it, oblivious to its earth-shaking significance, never knowing that in their possession lies the key to untold riches. But those who see with a collector's eye, those who feel the energy and the weight of true rarity, they know this coin is not to be spent. It is to be revered, protected, and presented to the world like a national treasure. It is this fusion of myth and matter that makes the 1977 bicentennial Eisenhower dollar so captivating. It breaks the rules of time, history, and minting conventions. It challenges the very boundaries of what we believe is possible from the U.S. Mint. This coin is an anomaly, yes, but one that carries the pulse of greatness. Every groove of its design, every subtle difference from its standard counterparts, tells a story of secrecy, innovation, and unmatched value. It's a coin that shouldn't exist, yet it does. And its presence sends shockwaves through the collecting world. Beware, though. Many counterfeits and fabrications attempt to mimic its appearance. But the true 1977 bicentennial Eisenhower dollar has a signature that no forger can replicate. an authenticity that vibrates with history. Should you encounter such a coin, hold it not as pocket change, but as sacred metal. Consult with elite, numismatic experts, demand the highest certification, and prepare for a financial windfall that can redefine your reality. Because this coin doesn't just carry monetary value, it carries power, prestige, and the promise of legacy. In the end, the 1977 bicentennial Eisenhower dollar is more than rare. It is the stuff of legend, American history, celestial achievement, and numismatic brilliance fused into one silent silver sentinel. It's the kind of coin that turns lives upside down, that fuels dreams and inspires endless fascination. To possess it is to hold lightning in your hand, a miracle of metal that can transform your fate and immortalize your name in the hallowed halls of collectors forever.